The Crossbow Whip is a cool whip to know for West Coast swing, but did you know that there's 11 whips that you need to know for West Coast swing? At the end of the video, I'm gonna share 10 more whips that you need to know to look cool on the dance floor, but let's get started with the Crossbow Whip. So that is this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's look at that again, and then Miss Megan's gonna tell us what this is. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Before Megan tells us which version, is this a basic whip? Is it a reverse whip? What is it? Go for it.
Oh, you're actually asking.
Let's go for it.
It is a reverse whip with an outside turn.
So reverse whip, right? The basic reverse whip, she's turning towards me to get into it, right? Even though, we'll take a little bit of time to explain this, cross hand hold, 2 hands, we dance 1, 2. We take this up and over for 3 and 4. We continue over for 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if Megan knows the whip with an outside turn footwork, she's got that. If she knows the reverse whip footwork, she has the building blocks, and now I become the liability because I have to communicate that to the leader. I want to be right in front of that red thing. You don't like that little thing? You keep
moving.
All right, so from here we lead 1, we prep her for 2, I take the left hand over for 3 and 4. I need to make sure she's prepared to turn on her right foot for 5. That's count 4, I lied. Backwards for 5, for 6, 7, and 8. If I need to get rid of this, we can just do a sugar push to get rid of it. All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.